Lesson 3. Appearance. My best friend Joanna is absolutely gorgeous, extremely beautiful. She has long, sleek, jet black hair. Sleek means smooth and straight, and jet black means perfectly black. Pale blue eyes. Pale refers to a light color. And a radiant complexion, skin that appears healthy and full of energy. People always compliment her on her hourglass figure, when a woman has large breasts and hips but a small waist, and ask her what the secret is to maintaining such a slender waist. That means a thin waist. She has a round face with an upturned nose, and she actually bears a striking resemblance, looks extremely similar to a famous singer. Joanna could get any guy she wanted, so I was really surprised when she introduced me to her latest boyfriend, who I think is hideously ugly. He has curly, shoulder-length hair that looks rather unkempt. Unkempt hair means messy hair. It appears that the person doesn't take care of their hair. He has a square face and a ruddy complexion, reddish skin. His deep-set eyes, eyes that are far back in the person's face, are almost hidden under his bushy eyebrows, big eyebrows with lots of hair. And he sports a thick mustache and a huge shaggy beard, a beard with lots of hair. I guess Joanna doesn't mind his facial hair. Facial hair refers to a man's beard and/or mustache. His body isn't bad. He has an athletic build, a body with a lot of muscles, with broad shoulders, wide shoulders, and muscular arms. If he would only trim his beard, cut his beard a little shorter, and comb his hair, I suppose he could be considered somewhat attractive, more or less beautiful or handsome. Let's practice the pronunciation of all the collocations in this lesson. Listen and repeat. Absolutely gorgeous. Long, sleek, jet black hair. Pale blue eyes. A radiant complexion. Hourglass figure. Slender waist. Round face. Upturned nose. Bears a striking resemblance to. Hideously ugly. Curly shoulder-length hair. Unkempt hair. Square face. Ruddy complexion. Deep-set eyes. Bushy eyebrows. Thick mustache. Shaggy beard. Facial hair. Athletic build. Broad shoulders. Muscular arms. Trim his beard. Comb his hair. Somewhat attractive. Now take the Lesson 3 quiz. Put each word in the correct sentence.